Hey loves, I didn't do an intro, but let's get into these brows. Yes, I'm starting off with my with that light purple out of the 35B palette, and I'm using that as my first transition shade. I'm going back into that same palette and I'm going with that purple, and I'm going right under that light purple. I'm taking that same blending brush I used for that lavender color to blend out the edges. I'm taking that purple out of my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place and going right into my crease. I'm going for a really dark smoky eye, so I'm taking that black out of the 35B palette from Morphe, and I'm just going right below that purple, and then I'm going to take that brush I used for the purple and blend out the edges of the black. To cut my crease, I'm using the black jumbo pencil from NYX. I just depotted it to make it easier to work with. I'm taking the same black I used out of the 35B palette to apply on top of that base, and all you do is pat, do not swipe. At first I was going to do a cut crease, but I realized I wanted a true smoky eye, so I took the same brush I used to apply the black into my crease and I blended out the edges, and I went back above that with the purple brush, and then I went back above that with the lavender brush so that everything can blend seamlessly. I'm using eyelash glue as my adhesive, and I'm applying some purple and black glitter that I mixed on top of that. This look would be cool as just a plain smoky eye, but I needed something more, so I decided to add glitter. The purple was a little too bright for me, and that's not the look I was going for. I wanted a really dark look, so I decided to add some more black glitter on top of that to darken the eye. And I'm now just taking my black liner from Ruby Kisses. It's the 24-hour eye define, and I'm just applying that to my waterline. I'm taking that same black out of the 35B palette to smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm using my matte liner from NYX, and I was going for a wing liner, but I decided to not do it, so I just took my concealer and I cleaned up the edges to make it really sharp. I literally get asked every day how to apply bottom lashes and to do a tutorial on bottom lashes. I have several tutorials on my channel already, but until I stop getting the question, I will continue to put mini tutorials in my video. I wanted a really black lip, and I didn't have any black lipstick or gloss, so I just decided to put lip liner over my entire lip. And sometimes when I don't have a shade, you know, I use my eyeshadow, but I don't have any eyeshadow that is as black as I was looking for, so I decided to just use the pencil. I always take a little bit of foundation and go around my entire lip to clean up any mistakes that I made, and so my lips can look really cute. This was the original look that I was going for, but it was so boring and I wanted to be so extra. So I decided to change it and get a little creative. So I took some acrylic paint and I mixed it with some oil, and I decided to drip it down my face as if like I had mascara running or whatever. And this was my first time ever doing something like this, so it was definitely a learning experience. And what you guys see right now is literally me trying to figure it out. And I think it came out really nice for my first time. I just want us to always be, to always be. This look was cute like this, like I really enjoyed the look, but I was like, I need something extra. Like the tears is just not enough. So I decided to change my look from me crying to me being a man eater. It's supposed to be like he broke my heart, so I ate his. And so what I'm doing now is taking some more paint and just making it look like I have blood coming out of my mouth. I couldn't get the red, the shade that I wanted it, and I was just getting frustrated. So I was just like, okay, let me just put this here and hopefully it'll just work out. I've never done anything like this before, so it was just kind of weird trying to figure out where the blood should be dripping from. And I decided to take a ball, and it was supposed to look like his heart, and covered it in paint, but that didn't work. It was a fail. Next time I will plan my look out better and get some fake blood, but I truly enjoyed this. This was so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed my anti Valentine's Day look. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.